Matsuura was certainly at the top of the list when we were selecting possible suitors for a new supplier. Additional to that was they held our hand through the technical review. They did the offline programming analysis, the cycle time analysis, which has a big bearing on our commercial position. And the future for Oracle is to remain close to the suppliers that, quite frankly, we need as much as we do our customers. Our customers place orders with Oracle because it provides a solution to a problem that they have, either right now, short-term, or a long-term strategy for them. So when we've selected our machine tool supplier, it has to be one that is in it for the long run.
Can you actually design?
It absolutely works, because what we can do with this virtual environment is actually connect it to real life, our real controllers in a test environment. Yeah, so we can actually test the code that we've written, and that code reacts with the virtual environment. So all the testing and everything that needs to be done can all be done away from site.
Yeah, difficult to say, but depends on the technologies. I think we are always aiming for that more automation, but don't put too much automation without the economical justification. So that's very important. So we take our time to develop the technologies and find the economical way.
4 of these machines that they've got in stock that
Different
can be delivered. They're all of the same size, because it's the 134 model, but they've got different control systems, maybe some different options on them. So depending on what you're machining and what you're looking to do with the machine, you'll select which one of the 4 is perfect for you. But you're dead right. I mean, basically, have this machine hit the deck. The only thing you've got to pay is delivery. But other than delivery, you don't have to pay anything until the second quarter of 2022. So all the twos.
Let's open the doors. You go one side, I'll go the other, just to show off the size of the table of this machine. And of course, as you can see in the centre, you have got the door so you can create that pendulum machining too.
Yeah, well, let's start this side, because here what you've got is a C-axis table here. Now this, of course, allows you to manoeuvre the part through 360 degrees. So when you're when the head comes in to do the milling, you can obviously, using the B-axis as well, attack various sides of it. But what you can also do with this is actually turn. You can have these machines, so this will actually turn. It can become like a vertical lathe.
We're going to talk about encoders, but can we start at a basic level? What is an encoder, please?
Today MTD CNC have travelled to WAF Group to find out about this very successful business that's been going for over 41 years, and we're also going to find out about their very successful business with hats.
Tobias Lang, you like to be ahead of the game, you like to innovate all of the time, and I must admit this is a cracking idea. Can you tell us about this product, why it was brought to market, please?
Biggest benefit is the control. We do development of products as well as manufacture those products. So there's kind of almost 2 hits here that we get away with really good. Whereas when you're developing a product and you need it to be machined, and you've got to send it out to a subcontractor, but you want something changing, or it's a small change, or no, it needs to be changed slightly this way. For us to go and do that on a small mini mill, as it was to start with, it's really easy.
I think it's been absolutely brilliant. They've had a lot of people come through the door already. We were only on the second day, and it's just great to be meeting people face to face again. We've really seen a lot of face to face events come back very quickly.
Okay, so next up on the stage is a gentleman who has been FANUC Europe's CEO since 2016. He's going to be discussing a high-level view of the future and FANUC Europe's strategic input. So let's welcome to the stage Mr. Tanzawa.